smile like the world's alright, but your eyes are a storm tonight. You laugh but it's a quiet sound, like a door you don't want found. I can feel the distance grow, every secret you don't show. Baby, I don't need disguise, I just want the truth inside. Don't lock your soul behind the pain, let me in, don't be afraid. Show me the part of you you hide, the broken tears you push aside. I don't want perfect, I want real, even the scars you never heal. Show me the part you're scared to show, the midnight places I should know. Baby, don't run, don't close your eyes. Show me the part of you you hide. I've seen shadows cross your face, like you're lost in another place. Every silence tells me more than the words you can't explore. You don't have to stand alone, I'll hold the hurt you call your own. Love is heavy, love is true, and I'll carry it with you. Let me see the fight you lost, I'll love you through every cost. Show me the part of you you hide, the broken tears you push aside. I don't want perfect, I want real, even the scars you never heal. Show me the part you're scared to show, the midnight places I should know. Baby, don't run, don't close your eyes. Show me the part of you you hide. Every wall you built in fear, I'll break it down, I'll still be here.